The sun dips low where the palm trees sway. I saw you step off the boat today. Your smile lit up the Golden Bay. My heart caught fire, what can I say? Island hearts beating slow under skies where trade winds blow. You and me will never part, forever living with our island hearts. You spoke of cities cold and gray, but here's where the colors play. Turquoise waves and corals glow. This is the only home you'll know. Let the sand tell our story. Let the waves sing the glory. Island hearts beating slow under skies where trade winds blow. You and me will never part, forever living with our island hearts. No planes, no clocks, no rush, no race, just endless time in this sacred place. We'll build a life where the coconuts fall with the sea as our church. We'll have it all. She was the sun, her smile burned gold. Barefoot steps on the sand, stories untold. He came with the tide, suitcase in hand. A wanderer lost, now part of a land. The breeze whispers secrets, the ocean hummed low. He said, I found something I didn't know. She showed him the cliffs where the seabirds play, taught him to dance in the moonlight sway. Spoke of the cities, the gray and cold. She laughed and said, here, life's purest gold.